Hey, amazing people out there. How are you guys doing? I hope and pray you guys are taking good care of yourself, taking care of your health, and taking care of each other. Okay, guys, today we are in Hannah's kitchen. As you can see, look, there's Hannah. And you guys remember Allan? I introduced you to Allan. He is here too, and actually, Allan is the one who is going to prepare his specialty. Allan, what's it? Orange chicken? Okay. Is this your recipe, or you're improving on it, or you're adding to it, or?
Following Panda Express.
Okay, he's following something that's called Panda Express, according to him. We're gonna follow his steps in making this orange chicken recipe and see how he does it. So you guys stay tuned. Okay, Allan, I have the first question for you.
Yes.
How long do you marinate this chicken in orange food coloring to make it turn orange?
You'll find out. Now you don't have to marinate it in orange chicken. It's the sauce that's the key part of the food. So you basically fry the chicken, and after you fry the chicken, you add the sauce in it, let it cook into the sauce for about 5 minutes, and that's it.
Okay, guys, so they're gonna prepare the chicken here. That's it. Quarter legs. And Hannah is supposed to be the sous chef.
Yes.
And Rebecca is supposed to be the assistant sous chef to the sous chef, who is the sous chef to the chef. Okay, guys, look. The sous chef. This is a sous chef to the sous chef, who is a sous chef to the chef. Make sense?
No, but sure.
Okay.
So what are we doing?
Okay, so they're gonna prepare this in the meantime, and I don't know what you're supposed to be doing.
Onion and garlic?
No, don't possibly.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, Hannah is trying to do something here. I don't know what it is she's doing here.
Trying to figure out which seasoning is which. Okay, Pa, what are you doing?
This, Mo?
No.
Pa, what are you doing?
I'm helping the chef. I'm doing your job because you're supposed to be the sous chef.
I did.
But
do
you're
my
walking
job.
around with your hands in your pocket like the boss.
I'm supervising.
Where's the other chef?
The other chef, look, she retired. She didn't all she did was what? Chop garlic and onion.
No.
Long, say hi. Long, what you do? You watch TV? You help do anything?
There isn't much for me to do.
Good. Okay, guys. So now we're back to the orange chicken. Allan's Allan's specialty, and this is how it's being prepared. The chicken is already washed with vinegar, clean. So now Allan is going to direct Hannah. She's going to put ingredients.
I think it's
inside.
diced 1 inch pieces of chicken. Has to be diced.
Okay, yeah, Allan said the chicken has to be diced like in 1 inch pieces. And this is like about 2 kilos, about 4 pounds. So Hannah's going to add the ingredients to that now. So
You want to add 3 teaspoons salt in the egg.
okay, 3 teaspoons salt in the egg.
So half a teaspoon black pepper.
What you said?
Half a teaspoon black pepper.
Have another one for that.
The sous chef at work. That's a
That's fine.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
okay.
4 tablespoons oil. And mix that up.
So according to Allan, this process has 2 parts. So this is the first part. This is the frying part. So the oil is on the stove there. Getting hot.
And it's add the chicken.
Yeah.
Wow. Future chef in the house. So Hannah, tell us, what's your occupation in life when you finish at college? Become a chef?
Manage a restaurant.
Okay, I thought becoming a pilot. That's okay.
No.
In the white bowl, mix a cup cornstarch.
What?
1 cup cornstarch.
Cup? Or one?
1 cup.
Really? I didn't see cup. Oh. Yeah, pick up the cup.
Come on, don't be so serious. Smile.
I'm concentrating because I want to make a
And
bad
don't forget, tomorrow afternoon 5:30, right? You have an appointment?
Not that food. I have another box.
It's good, it's good.
It's fine?
Yeah, it's a cup, a bit of cup. Yeah.
And half a cup flour.
Good or more?
That's it. Yeah, mix that up. I'll mix that up.
Okay, so Allan is gonna mix this all up. He's washing his hands, so his hands are very clean. Okay.
I'll take one at a time.
Oh,
You can even mix.
so this is the time-consuming part.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, according to Allan, this is the part that is gonna take some time.
Now we mix
He's
it
gonna
all
fry
up.
it, yeah. It's something like picante kip chicken, but instead you use the other ingredients, the orange ingredients. Okay, guys, so we're gonna fry this out and then we'll get back to you.
Basta!
But that's my kind of lazy daughter, so it's my princess, my lazy princess.
Lazy, please.
Okay, guys, and it has to get golden brown, and then Allan will take it out.
About 4 to 5 minutes.
About 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. And the finished frying chicken goes in there.
The finished frying.
And we have Alicia in the house. Alicia is in the house and she's dealing with this duck. She'll be cooking duck curry tonight also. But tonight I'm not concentrating on duck. I'm concentrating on orange chicken. And she's representing Pickle Philippines.
Alright, right up.
Okay, so now it's about 5 minutes, yeah. But that's the first set, guys. Okay, guys, so we'll continue this process until all of that is fried. I will get back to you in a sec. Okay, guys, so finally the chicken is finished fried. This takes a lot of time. This is time consuming, but then this is for about 15 people, I guess. So now Allan will do the final step of this famous orange chicken. And I thought he's gonna put that in the orange food coloring.
No, we have orange juice.
Oh, so they'll use orange juice. Okay. And there's some more ingredients there. Garlic, ginger, green onions. Hannah has the best stuff in the world, red pepper.
Yes.
And I don't know what else. Allan will guide the process along. Okay, the oil has to hot some more.
Okay, that's good.
That's good? Okay.
I don't want to burn it.
Okay, so he adds the ginger and the garlic.
I want all the ginger, just too much.
Okay.
Pepper.
Pepper flakes, right?
Yeah, pepper.
Okay, pepper flakes.
How about this one?
Okay. That's about a tablespoon, I guess.
How this?
You use
Okay, now goes
Yeah,
the
some, not all.
Okay.
goes the green onions, scallions. Yeah, some of it. Okay, so we have to fry it up.
Yeah, but not too brown.
Oh, not too brown. Okay.
Just so the flavor comes into it all. And then you
Oh,
add everything.
okay.
Then you add everything as well. So I don't want it to leave it one place because it's gonna be burnt. Especially the garlic. Okay. Add the sugar and the vinegar.
Okay, that's how much sugar in it?
20 tablespoons.
20,
20 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vinegar.
20 also.
Yeah.
20,
20 tablespoons?
Yeah.
So that's vinegar and that's sugar.
And the oranges. And the orange zest.
Okay, we have some
2 orange juices.
2 oranges.
2 orange juices.
Yeah.
2 oranges
I
squeezed.
know.
I
Okay.
can add some zest inside.
And the zest. And we stir that, guys. We keep stirring until it caramelizes, I suppose.
Now you're gonna add some cornstarch, soy
Oh.
sauce, and what is it? Add the soy sauce first. We'll add that last.
You have it there.
Yeah, here it is.
Oh.
3 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Wow, you're a real sous chef. Mm.
And the sesame.
Yeah, sesame oil.
Sesame oil is right there. Oh.
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons. Okay. Okay,
So
and goes.
You gotta look, Coco. You gotta constantly turn it.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, you gotta shake it. No, over.
Shake it over the.
Oh.
Yeah, shake it over.
Shake it.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, just shake.
What you're doing, I don't know.
Hold this one. Let's go.
2 teaspoons, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1.
Oh. I never
2.
used this before.
Okay.
So keep turning it, while pouring, little by little.
Okay.
Good.
That's how much. That's what's the measurement?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
With some
Okay.
water.
Okay.
So basically, to make the sauce, you use
Yeah, you always need to dilute the cornstarch first
Okay.
because it doesn't dilute by itself.
Okay. So basically, make a sauce. You use black soy, sesame seed oil, sesame oil,
Sesame oil.
black soy, sugar, vinegar, orange juice, the zest, cornstarch. Okay.
And shallot, green onions.
Green onions. Okay.
And you just basically keep stirring it, don't let it sit. And you stir it until it gets thick enough to where the back.
You guys start getting thick already.
When you do this, it should create a trench. And then you know it's thick enough.
It's pretty good. Okay, guys, then we keep stirring and stirring.
Yeah, for 5 minutes.
Well, 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, Allan will get some muscle tonight.
What muscle? What's that?
You will get
It's not bad. Doesn't taste bad.
sour.
Sour?
That's good. But when you put in the chicken, it won't taste that.
Okay, so we keep stirring it, guys. 5 minutes. Okay, guys, now it's thickened enough.
Well, you know it's thick when you can draw a line and it doesn't cave in.
Okay, cool. Okay, now Allan's gonna add the chicken to that now.
Also, I'm holding this here.
Yeah, that's what you mentioned.
All right.
There's 4 pieces. Let me see 4.
Okay, and now you add that to the sauce and then you stir it. Okay, and then you stir that in, mix it in. Even though you add the vinegar, you can still taste the orange inside. Hannah is close to sweet and sour. I want to taste test. It's not hot.
Not?
Not bad.
Hey.
Address.
Good?
You can open it, the pineapple.
Oh, we put pineapple inside too?
On the
No,
plate.
not in the food itself.
Oh, it's decoration.
Yeah. And you eat it with it as well.
And there you go, guys. That's the finished product. That's the orange chicken. So we'll taste it now, and I'll let you guys know what it tastes like. Looks pretty good, though, guys. Okay, we'll get back to you in a bit, guys.
Taste it.
Okay, guys. So here's what it looks like. That's the final product. That's what Allan has made for us. That's his specialty. It's orange chicken, and you guys can try this recipe at home. It doesn't look that difficult to do, so let me take a taste. Even though you add the vinegar, you don't taste the vinegar.
You do with the pineapple.
It tastes more like sweet and sour chicken. Okay, let me.
I got to cut that. Nay.
Right, it bursts the flavor.
It's good, guys. It's not bad.
Okay, can I go eat now?
Come on, you taste. Let me take you. Okay. Okay, Hannah, tell me how it tastes. You can taste it tastes like sweet and sour chicken, right? And you can taste the orange inside, though. You don't taste the vinegar.
It's nice with the rice.
Alicia, what do you think?
Awesome.
Good, right? You don't taste the vinegar that much inside.
No. No, because you eat it with the rice.
Bex, what do you think? What about you?
I am now gonna take it.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Let me taste it.
It's not that bad, right? It's good. It's my first time I'm having this. It's good, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, guys, so we're gonna continue eating, and I have to leave in a little while because the lockdown is already in effect. So I'll finish off my food here, and I just want you guys to see what Allan has prepared for us. You know me, guys. I'm gonna try different recipes. I'm gonna show you different people cooking, because the more recipes you see, the more you can try to cook for yourself. I think it's awesome. It's a good orange chicken. You guys can try it at home. I'll try to see if I can put the ingredients in the description box below, or you can follow on in the video. So thank you guys for joining us in this video, and please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you in the other video. Bye for now, guys.